Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Africana 01. Greetings from wherever you are watching from. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. To all my returning subscribers, I'm truly so humbled. Thank you for loving me. And to whoever, when it's your first time to watch my videos, kindly feel at home and remember to turn on the notification bell and subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make avocado oil at home. Enjoy. See you later. And here it was a week after our avocados were all ripe, so I had to peel off the top layers. So here I was trying to mix everything thoroughly well so that it gets more soft and thick. After mixing it all thoroughly well, the next day I had to put that mixture outside in the sunlight. This was our day 1 of drying our avocado in the sun. This was day 4 when it's getting darker. Yes, you dry it until it gets so dark. Here my beautiful girl had to press the oil out of it, and the outcome was so amazing. Thank you for watching until this far. See you in my next video. Bye.